Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore, and I'm going to be reviewing the Pocket Keychain Voice Recorder. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com, and if you would like to purchase this product, click on the link in the upper left-hand corner, or go down to the description below and click on the link down there. This is our Pocket Keychain Voice Recorder. It is small and discreet and is designed to go directly on your keychain. It features 13 hours of battery life, has continuous and voice-activated recording modes, time and date stamping of those files, up to 64 hours of storage capacity, the ability to set the recording quality, and it functions like a normal USB flash drive, so you can use it to store whatever you like. It has an easy one-touch activation, making it easy to use, and it's super simple to recharge with only an hour and a half to do so. You can play back those files on a Windows or Mac computer using your standard media players. Hello everyone, so right now I'm going to do an unboxing of the Pocket Keychain Voice Recorder to show you everything that it comes with. Open it up right there. There's the product and its inserts, protective inserts. And the only other thing that comes with the unit is the manual, because that's all you need. This manual was handwritten by the folks here at SpyCentre Security, so if you have any questions about how to utilize the product, do feel free to give us a call. And the unit itself, small and easy, has a little keychain that it comes with, so you can fit on your key ring. If you can see here, where are you? There you go. So there's the small silver dot right there. Bring it a little bit closer. Now that is showing that it is in the off position. If I twist this a bit, that disappears. And that is actually opening up the microphone hole so that I can hear, but it is also telling you that it is on and recording. Twist that back off. And then, to listen to your files, all you do is plug it into a computer via the USB port. So there are no external cables that come with this unit. This is all you need to record your conversations and to plug them into a computer and listen to those files. So now I'm going to take this into the back office and we're going to be doing a conversation test to show you the audio quality. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Hello everyone. Today we are in a back office and we're going to be doing a conversation test of our Pocket Keychain Voice Recorder. Keep in mind that all the audio that you are currently hearing was recorded by the device itself. And now I am going to stick it in my pocket and we're going to have a conversation test with Mr. Dominic here.
There you go.
Good, what do you got for me?
I have a review for the Pocket Keychain that I like to share. So it says, great quality. I use this product while in my business meetings so I can record everything that was said without missing any minor details. It never draws any attention and I keep it in my briefcase with all of my other pens and such. I love the fact that it is a direct USB and internal memory. I just love not having to rely on any other cable to do my recordings.
Very good, yes. Okay, so now we are going to take it out front and we're going to do a distance test.
Perfect.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check with your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
Howdy folks, right now we are at a retail storefront location and we're going to be performing a distance test of the Pocket Keychain Voice Recorder. Right now all the audio that you are currently hearing is being captured by the device itself. And now I'm going to pass it over to Mr. Dominic and we're going to do that distance test for you. Perfect. This is an audio test of 10 feet. This is an audio test of 20 feet from the device. And finally, this is a distance test of 30 feet from the device. Keep in mind that all the audio that you are currently hearing is being captured from the device itself. The device's small size, discreet look, and all these high-end features makes this an easy pick. One note to make on this unit, however, the voice activation is super sensitive. In our own test, we've noticed that the voice activation will cut off immediately when it stops hearing a sound and pick back up almost immediately when it hears the next sound. Keep this in mind for your own tests and deployment. We monitor the comment sections on our videos, so if you have a question about this or anything else, please feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you.